All right, look here, bro P. Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. All right, bro P, got your package here on the desk. Man, I've been so busy over the last 3 weeks with so many projects and so many things going on. And it's upstairs by the garage door. Bring it down. Package, okay? You'll see it. And I just wanted to let you know I haven't forgotten you here, man. So I'm getting ready to at least open this package and take a look at your amp today. Hadn't forgotten about you, bro P. Here we go. Man, I've been moving stuff out of my office, and that's taking so much of my time. Yeah, so put it up here somewhere. Find your space up there. Thank you. Oh. But man, I have been swamped. All right, what I got here? Oh, tubes. Okay. All right, 12 AU7 tubes. I'll check those for you. There's 6550. Using these electro harmonics. Some people like these electro harmonics. And I'll be honest with you, bro P, I never use these anymore. Out of all the tubes that I have had trouble with in the shop, I've had more trouble with this particular brand than any other brand of recent issue tubes. So I don't use those anymore. This is a vintage OC 3-tone sole, so that's more than likely gonna be okay. But I'll test these tubes for you. Let me take these tubes and put them in the tube testing area. Hey, Little. Little. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got. Can you save your bubble wrap? Wow, man. This transformer got plenty of rust on it. Brother man, Your transformers got plenty of rust on them. And woo. Okay. I hope this amp wasn't in a flood at some point. Look at all that rust. All right. Let's look at what I see going on here. I see the work that was done here. Okay. Okay, my brother. I can see a lot going on here. Now, just from looking at this, I see problems. That looks like that was done correctly, but I'll have to check that. First of all, I'm gonna try not to be too harsh on the technical aspect of the work that I see, but I see some major problems, man. One major problem that I see, and I'm not going to touch this right now, but I'm going to point out to you some things. The way these parts were installed in this amplifier lets me know that they were installed by a person who would not fall into the category of a professional technician. This kind of work is more indicative of an individual who would be classified as an amateur, and or someone who may have had done some soldering at some point in the past, but they don't understand the concept of professional soldering in this type of circuit. And so all of the work that was done here, I will have to redo all of that. That I have to cut out all of these parts. That, I mean, these are new parts, new parts here. But I'm gonna have to. Most of these I'll have to cut out. Some I may be able to leave in, but some of this I'll have to cut out because when I finish this, it's gonna look like my work. and if I leave some of this work that's in here like this, and someone were to look at this, then you would say, hey, Hammond Doc did that work. So when it comes back to you, it's going to look like Hammond Doc work. So even if I leave something in it that was put in it by someone else and they did it right, that's fine. But most of what I see, I'm gonna have to cut it out. I'm gonna have to redo this. And I don't see a whole lot that's gonna be that I don't have to redo. Most of this I'll have to redo. That looks pretty good right here. That looks like pretty good, but it's pretty sloppy right in here. That's one thing. Another thing that I see right off the cuff. I see a lot of touching of components. You can't have any touching of components. I'll point out show you some touching, the things that I see touching. And see, one of the things is I have this mirror, I can see it, but I can look, without even pulling down my mirror, I can see components touching that should not be touching each other. Right here. Right here. These two are touching. Right? They're touching. Let me see if I can move it up closer. Right. Right there. This and this is touching. Right there, they're touching. And you'll get cancellations. You'll get shorts, cancellations, and audio signal. All problems like that. You'll get shorts. You'll see smoke. You can see fire when you get components touching when they're not supposed to be touching. Right here, look, this is touching right here. That's some more touching. Let me see if I can even, I don't know if I'm even getting that on the camera. Let me put the camera back down here. Right there. This cap is touching this resistor. They can't touch. This circuit was not designed for this resistor to touch this capacitor in this amplifier. So you're gonna get shorts in your audio signal, and no wonder you weren't getting sound, because the components are short. Even if these are installed and you have the proper parts in, and I understand that you may have put one or two parts in that are not the proper value, which can be a significant problem as well. But if let's say they're all the proper parts, the proper values, if they're touching, then you still won't get the proper audio signal. All right. Okay. See what else I see down here. I see drop solder. I'll change this out. I'll get rid of that relay. That relay is going, man. I won't put that relay. I don't use these cheap relays. They give you problems. So that'll go. I'll redo these caps here, the suppression caps. They've been cut off and resoldered here. Whew. Okay, so this is going to take some time. I'll clean this up for you and do them the way they're supposed to be done. Okay. It looked pretty. All right, bro P. I'm going to take care of this for you. I understand when you do a project like this, and after you spend time and effort in it, your desire and hope is that it's right and that it's going to work. But I'm going to take pictures of this as it is, and so I'll do before and after, and you'll see that it'll be obvious to you that the way it looks now is going to be very different than the way it'll be when I finish with it and you receive it. Because when I finish with this amp is going to sing the way it's supposed to sing. You're hearing that from the Hammond Doc. Until the next video, man, give me some time on this and I'll get it straightened out for you. Until then, please have a peaceful and a wonderful day. Peace out.